You are live now.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. My screen is visible, right? Hello. Hello, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, all. So, welcome to this session. This is the tele session. So, yesterday we have seen one feature that is the cost center feature, right? In Tally Prime, they introduced the above from the cost center, they introduced the one new feature that is the cost center class. Okay, so that is a class center class. Class center class is used for the automatically allocation of the expenses or income. Is it clear? Automated allocation of expenses and income. Is it clear? I am audible now. Any doubt till that, like whatever we covered in the sessions? Who completed the last, like the feature of the last session, that is the cost center? Is it covered? Because in last session, I covered that feature. That is a cost center. Students, please timely join regularly. Okay, so this is the feature which we already seen in the previous session. So let me explain again with the help of practical. So I'm going to open the my Tally Prime. And then I'm going to create a one company. See, here is a scenario. Vijay Enterprise Private Limited. Vijay Enterprise Private Limited have different teams like sales and technical teams. Okay. So these are the cost centers you have to create in the Vijay Enterprises Private Limited. So I'm going to create a Vijay Enterprise Private Limited. Then control it. To enable the cost center in the F11 key, there is an option of enable cost center. This is a feature. And then we should set disable to the GST because presently we are not moving to the taxation feature. Create, there is an option of cost center. So just create a first two cost center, that is the sales team. Then there is a technical team. Two teams are there. One is a sales team, second one is a technical team. And afterward, two names are there. The one is Jitendra. It should be under sales team. If you can check, then here is a given. Sales and technical team is there, and each name have the two sales executive. One is Mahendra and second one is a Jitendra, which worked under the sales team. Okay, so first is a Jitendra, who is a member of the sales team. Second is a Mahendra, who is again the member of the sales team. Okay, now the next is Prakash, who is the member of the technical team. Okay, and then Shekhar, who is again the member of the technical team. Is it clear? Is it clear? Please join timely so that you can like listen very carefully. Is it clear? Okay. Like to whom, like those students who are doing the simultaneously, please do it fast. Do it fast. Is it? Okay. So I created the 4 cost centers. One is sales team. Second one is a technical team. That is just like a group. Under the sales team, 2 members are there. One is Mahendra. Second one is Jitendra. Under the technical team, again another members are there. The one is Shikhar and second one is a Prakash. Is it? So this is the way how you can create the cost center. I'm just repeating the previous session's feature. So next, under the scenario, there is a given. Now the company wants to take the performance. Actually, cost centers, as I told you earlier, it is a very important for the cost audit, or in case of when the company issues the bonus na every year, because company provide the bonus to the persons, incentives we can say, but on the basis of performance. Okay, so company wants to take the performance of these 4 sales executives. These team generate some expenses and income from the different levels. ये जो टीम है वो कुछ expenses और income अलग अलग जगह से लेके आती हैं. So we want to check the performance of these teams. Now the payment is as on the 10th August 2023, or we will not change the date. Vijay Enterprises Payment Private Limited made a payments toward the traveling expenses for rupees 50,000 rupees. White check number so and so. Okay, so we can create a one expenses ledger, that is the traveling expenses under indirect expenses. And then from here, more details, you can check the cost centers applicable should be yes. And by default, it is yes. Now press Control A. Control A. One revenue is there, that is commission. It is under indirect income. Control A. Now create a one more ledger. For example, you can create the bank, or you can first you should introduce the capital in your company so that the negative cash should not be there. Control A. Now first introduce the capital, then with the help of F6 you can introduce the capital. No cost center class is there. Enter. Now there is an option of capital 10 lakh rupees. Enter cash. Now while see, this is the scenario. You can check here. Made a payment towards the traveling expenses for 50,000 rupees. White check number 512108 in the allocated amount. These allocations should be done by ourselves in case of you are not applying the cost center class. In the next scenario, I'll give you the understanding automatic allocation of the income and expenditure. So they paid 50,000 rupees. So first you have to pay payment, then traveling expenses 50,000. Enter name of the cost center Mahendra. You can check here. Mahendra 15,000 rupees. 15,000. Enter Jitendra. Jitendra is 20,000 rupees. Then Prakash 10,000 rupees. And then Shikhar. This is the thing which I already told you in the previous session, but I am repeating here. Then cash. Enter, 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 enter. Now you can generate the revenue also while taking the receipts. For example, suppose you are receiving the like cash through the commission 1 lakh. Enter. Then Mahendra, through Mahendra, you received the 35,000 rupees. Then Jitendra, you received only 5,000 rupees through Jitendra. Then Prakash, you received through Prakash 45,000. And then rest should be the Shikhar. Enter. Is it clear? Already we also spoke about this feature in the previous session. Is it clear? Anybody have some doubt? Anybody have some doubt? Okay. Which cost centers we need to create under? See, just take the screenshot of this scenario. See, sales and technical team, Mahendra and Jitendra working in the sales team, under the sales team, Prakash and Shekhar working under the technical team. So 4 cost centers should be created, but under the sales team, 2 cost centers are created, and under the technical team, 2 cost centers. While 4 are the cost centers, but while selecting under the technical team and under the, is it clear? Divyanshi, there is a two mean of the all clear. Huh? All clear means you are not getting something. Or the second part is all clear means you are getting everything. So what do you mean by the all clear? No, ma'am, all clear. What does it mean? All clear means what? Are you getting or not? Answer me fast. Devanshi. Getting everything. Okay, Devanshi, thank you so much. Okay, just joking. Huh? So the next is how we can check the reports. How we can check the report? See, there is an option. If you want to check the reports, and then you have to go to the cost center summary. From where you can go to the cost center summary, I told you earlier, display more reports, statement of accounts. Then there is an option of cost center summary. Here you can check sales team, Jitendra, debit side, 20,000 and 5,000 the credit side. Okay. And then Mahindra. So when you press enter over here, na, when you press or enter over here, then you can check traveling expenses. You paid 20,000, but against the like 22, you paid the 20,000 rupees and you got only 5,000 rupees. So this is the performance of Jitendra. Then Mahendra, 15,000 rupees you pay, but 30 against that 35,000 commission you receive. Okay, then so this is the way how you can check the performance. This is the way how you can check the performance. Sales team performance is only 5,000 credit and technical team performance is 45,000 credit. Okay. Is it? Is it? Now next. Now through the cost center breakup, you can check the Jitendra individually, Jitendra performance, individually Mahindra performance, individually Prakash performance. Right? Now next. Now after the cost center class, but in this case we have to allocate by ourselves. हमें खुद को define करना पड़ता है कितना कितना उसने earn किया है या कितना उसने against that how much I paid. Okay, but there is a one more feature in the Tally Prime, that is cost center class. That is cost center class. Cost center class is a very good option in the Tally through which you can provide the percentage to automatically allocation of the income and expenditure. See, first you should read this PPT. Okay, we already seen the now this thing. We want automatic allocation. Now Vijay Enterprises has decided to pre-allocated the dress allowance. Now for dress allowance, he want it should be the pre-allocated. It should be the pre-allocated. In this case, we have to fix the percentage. In this case, we have to fix the percentage. So first of all, there is an option in the F11. Then there is an option of cost center class. Cost center class, that should be the See here, more details. In a more details, there is an option of cost center class. Now you can create the cost center class. Is it clear? Is it clear? How I create? Please show the voucher part. Okay. 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 First of all, you should pass the voucher. Huh? Paybook, then payment. Which voucher you want to check? Receipt or payment? Receipt or payment? Receipt or payment? Is it clear? So see, you can check the voucher. Huh? Just check it.
हेलो बंद है बंद है अभी आएगी तो बोलूंगी कुछ काम है जरूरी नहीं बंद है इसका
Shall I move for the next cost center class? Shall we check the cost center class? Is it completed? One more. What, Arpit? Please tell me, beta, in a clear and concise way. What one more time you want? Class center class? Okay. See, for cost center class, you have to press F11. F11 is a shortcut key for the company feature. There is an option of more detail. From here, you can create the cost center class. Okay. Now, just create a cost center class. Expenses, allocation, enter. Now, Jitendra, 10, 12, 15%. Then Mahendra, 25%. Okay, then Shikhar, 35%. Then rest should be for the Prakash. And you can also create the cost income also. Okay, for the income also. For example, income allocation, revenue generation. Okay, you can set here the revenue generation. So for Jitendra is used to generate the 20% of total. But see, it is not fixed. So this is not a like there is no mean to create the revenue generation class. Only expenses allocation should be there. Then control A. Now, again, we are going to pass same voucher. Okay, but this time I'm going to apply here the expenses allocation. Then traveling expenses in F2, it is on my. Traveling expenses, suppose we provided traveling expenses 45,000, enter. Now it is not asking me the manually allocation. Okay. Now I'm not providing here the manual allocation. But again, if you check, then it will automatically allocate the traveling allocation as per the whatever we mention here. Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it completed? Suppose you are not getting, then just raise the query. Now I'm ready to give you the explanation once again. Okay. See, for creating the cost center class, you have to press F11. Then more details. And from here, cost center class, you can create the cost center class. And you can allocate because you have cost centers by default. Previously you created the cost center, na? And then suppose you are creating here the purchase allocation. Okay. Purchase. Now for purchase, you have 3 branches. Faridabad. Okay. And for Faridabad, you used to purchase 35%. Then Muradabad. For Muradabad, you used to purchase 25%. Then Aurangabad. Okay, enter and then Control A and Control A. Now, while purchasing, suppose F9, you are purchasing something. Purchase account under purchase. And make sure here is all purchase cost center applicability should be yes. Then Control A, Control A, Control A. Now here is a class purchase allocation. Okay, you can allocate the, instead of expense allocation, you can create the purchase allocation, purchases. Then suppose your purchases for computers, you purchase okay, you purchase the 50 computers at the rate of 25,000. Then automatically purchase allocation will be there. You can check here. Display more reports, statement of accounts, then cost center. Summary. See. For Aurangabad, it is 5 lakh. For Faridabad, it is 4,37,000. For Muradabad, it is 3,12,000. Is it? Make sure, beta, you are getting, because see, unless until you are not getting, then there is a no mean to give the features explanation. Jyotirmay, is it clear how I create the cost center class? Is it clear? I am waiting, beta, just reply me. You should have this kind of report, huh? Sales team, Jitendra and Mahendra, technical team, Prakash and Shikhar. So we can check the performance report through the cost center summary. Is it clear? Not getting. पेमेंट के वक्त मेरा सिर्फ महिंद्रा का आ रहा है. ज्योतिर्मय, which payment? Okay, okay, okay. See, देखो. This is my first payment. Alt F2. This is my first payment, traveling expenses. Here it is giving me Mahindra, Jitendra. To make sure you created the cost centers. Because see, this is the cost center. देखो ये मैंने cost center बनाया था under sales team. This is again this cost center. प्राइमरी के अंडर मैंने इसको पहले सेल्स टीम को बना लिया एंड देन अंडर महिंद्रा को सेल्स टीम के अंदर बनाया. क्या ये समझ आ रहा है? इज इट क्लियर? सो कीर्ति मेक श्योर कि जब आपने कॉस्ट क्लास बना ली तो जब आप क्लास बनाएंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको कॉस्ट सेंटर एप्लीकेशन एप्लीकेबल करना पड़ेगा जिस नाम से क्लास बनाइए. इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग तो फिर एक बार मोर डिटेल्स में जाके चेक कर लो कि आपके पास कॉस्ट सेंटर का क्लास का ऑप्शन यहाँ से नहीं, F12 से कॉस्ट सेंटर क्लास आपको दिखना चाहिए. ये देखिए शो कॉस्ट सेंटर डिटेल्स ऑल्सो. ये पूरा कॉस्ट सेंटर से रिलेटेड यस कर दीजिएगा. एंड यू आर गेटिंग कॉस्ट सेंटर क्लास. अगर ये तभी आता है जब आपने F11 में जाके ये कॉस्ट सेंटर जो है ना इसको यस किया हुआ. ये अगर आपका नो होगा, सपोज यहाँ पे कॉस्ट सेंटर क्लास नो है आपका, है ना, तो फिर आपका नहीं आएगा वो ऑप्शन. मेक श्योर यू आर गेटिंग दिस कॉस्ट सेंटर क्लास. दिस ऑप्शन शुड बी देयर, अदरवाइज कैसे होगा ना. ओके 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 सुगंधी, ओके नो इशू. ज्योतिर्मय प्लीज. Okay, again I am going to give you the step by step understanding. Okay, step by step, step by step. The first is you have to create the cost centers. First is F11, then we are moving from the starting to end. We are moving for this from the starting to end cost center and cost center class. Basically, why we need to use the cost center and cost center class? Both are used for the performance analysis. Both are used for the performance analysis. And to activate the cost center, press F11 key. In a F11, you should set the cost center, yes. Then you have to create a one sales team under primary. Then sales team under primary and then technical team under primary. Then Mahindra under sales team. Then Jitendra under sales team. Then Shikhar under technical team, Prakash under technical team. Make sure you got it. Make sure you got it. Is it? Arpit? Arpit? Try to respond fast, na? I'm waiting for your response. See, I'll provide you. Okay. Waiting. Okay, no issue. Do it. Do it yourself. Once you done na, then please again respond me. Ma'am, even after setting the cost center class. So Vaishali, just check while make the payment voucher, are you getting this option cost center classes? Are you getting this option? See, suppose, okay, I'm going to make another payment. Okay. Suppose I'm here, I don't apply any cost center. Okay, not applicable. Then it will ask me for the allocation. In that case, we have to manually we have to define. Suppose we are selecting from here cost centers, that is expenses allocation. Then there is a no need to allocate manually. See, traveling expenses 1 lakh. Automatically, it is not asking me for the manual allocation. Now you can check day book, then payment. See, automatically it allocated 15,000, 25,000, 35,000, and 25,000. So make sure you are selecting the cost center class. Is it? Can tell me the name Shikhar and Prakash. Technical team Shikhar and Prakash. Second payment. Now, while second payment, you have to select the cost center class, Jyotirmay. You have to select the cost center class. Is it? Please answer me. I think so. Everybody is busy with doing. Very good, Dipankar. Rest student, please confirm. Okay, Jyotirmay, see. Okay. I'm pressing Control A. Then in a purchase. See, there is an option of cost center class. Make sure you are in item invoice. You don't select the. If you select the cost and like voucher, then also it is coming. So it is not related with the item. It is not related with the mode. See, okay, I'm sure ki, like I got the thing. I think so. You want here, na, the allocation will not be here. Allocation will not be here. Automatically it will allocate, and while taking from the day book, then only you can check, not day book, from display mode reports, statement of accounts, then cost center. Now you want to purchase cost center summary. See here. Is it? Now you can check na purchase account detail. Is it clear? I'll provide you this PPT also. Is it clear? Answer me, please. Now, Arpit, pass a payment voucher. Pass the payment voucher. See, Jyotirmay, please. Okay. Now, in case, suppose, okay, try to make the difference. Try to make the understanding. Suppose I am passing here from the voucher, payment voucher. And then at this time, I am not applicable any class. And I am going to pay the traveling expenses 25,000. Then it will ask na कि किसको कितना दे रहे हैं, how much you are providing to a particular person. Mahendra 10,000. Then Shikhar 7,000. And the rest is Prakash. In this case, we have to allocate by manually. But in case you are again passing the voucher and you are applying the class expenses allocation. Now, in that case, it will not give you the allocation here. Directly, you have to pass this only the amount. Okay, only the amount you have to pass. Then afterward, you should check from the day book, then payment. Now you can check, it will automatically allocate it. This is not this is. Because in this expenses allocation class, see, after like passing the entry, you should check from the day book. And if not, then you can check the reports for the performance analysis, display more reports, statement of accounts, cost centers, cost center summary, sales team. Is it? See? I'm sure now you got. Is it clear, Jyotirmay? Jyotirmay, the one option, like one reason may be there. Maybe your tally is not updated. If it is, the class is not, because see, this is the recent feature which is introduced by the Tally Prime. Just check whether that your tally is updated or not. Just update it. My is always like presently is updated. Tally Prime release 6.1 is available. Which one is your? Please check. Is it? Jyotirmay, I think so. You are using the older version, so that's why in the cost center class is not there. Cost center and cost center class both are the different thing. Which option you are not getting? Okay, Dipankar, thank you. Appreciate it. Cost center in the applicability. Tally Prime 4. Have you the option of the screen sharing, Jyotirmay? Have you the option of the screen sharing? Just check. Or you can send the screenshot on my like mobile number. Jyotirmay? Have you do you have the option of the screen sharing now? So just take the screenshot, na Jyotirmay? Just take a picture. That's it. And send it to me. Do fast now because see, I need to move ahead now because see, I need to give you the another explanation also. Yeah, definitely, Soumik, I'll send. Definitely, I'll send the assignments. See, there is an option of the screen sharing above. You can see, check the option on the top of the window, screen share. Shall I move for the next? Okay. So we are going to the next feature, and next feature is again a very important feature, you know. See, like job work out in Teletime. Now, what is job work? Can anybody explain what is job work? What is job work? See, in the previously, we have already seen how to manufacture the items. I think so. You remembered we already manufactured the gold ring. We already manufactured the I think so. We already manufacture the computer. Okay, but in case suppose we are the principal manufacturer, but we are taking the services of manufacturing from some another site, someone from someone else. So this is known as a job work. See, suppose I'm doing a job here and I'm doing the job work on behalf of ICAI, right? So same thing in the manufacturing industries, it is not necessary they manufacture their own. They have to hire the manufacturer team who is known as a job worker. Okay, and then in that case, they have to pay something for the job work. But they have to provide the raw material to the job worker so that they can produce the finished goods, and then you can provide, you can pay the some amount on behalf of that job work. Is it clear? Okay. Jyotirmay, come on fast. Just take the screenshot. Just take the screenshot. This is for the cost center class. And this is for the cost center. This is for the cost center, and then second one is for the cost center class. Okay. I'm sure you have taken a screenshot. So I'm sure like everybody understood now what is a job work. What is a job work? Any explanation you need, or like you understood what is a job work basically? Job work is a what? We are doing the work, but on behalf of somebody else. Okay, on behalf of somebody else. So this is also the purchase of services or sales of services. Purchase of services or sales of services. Purchase of services means, again, the someone is doing the job for on behalf of us. And sales of services means we are doing the on behalf of somebody. So that is known as again the job work. So maybe job work in, maybe job work out. Maybe job work in, maybe job work out. In case I am the principal manufacturer, but I don't want to manufacture by consuming the raw material. I want to get someone services. I want to take someone services on behalf of my company so that they can assemble or they can produce they can do the manufacturing for us. And then on behalf of that, we will pay some amount to that. Is it? Okay. So first of all, job work out. I'm going to give you the example in case I'm taking the somebody's services on behalf of my company. Okay. So first of all, you have to enable the job order processing. First of all, you have to enable the job order processing. So from where I can enable the job order processing? Press F11. F11. Then there is an option of job order processing. Set it yes. Set it yes. Press Control A. Okay. Then after like job order processing setting yes, then configure you will get the vouchers, job work out orders and job work in orders. There is an option. If you check, then there is an option of, I told you earlier in a tally, there are 24 voucher types. So these are the voucher types. Out of these, we already seen the contract, credit note, debit note, delivery note. Now today we are going to check the job work out order. Then material in and material out. These 4 vouchers are there in my agenda for today. So first of all, you have to set the job work out order. Here is a given. First of all, you have to set the job work out order. So how you can set the job work out order? In a tally, go to the tally. Okay, there is a alter option. Then voucher type, job work out order. In a job work out order, please check there is an option. There is an option allow zero value transaction. Why? Because see, when we provide the raw materials to the someone else, then there is no need to mention the rates. Rates only we need to mention the quantity. So set it yes. Set it yes. Allow zero value. Allow zero value. Use zero value transactions. Set it yes. From where you can set? Again, go to the alter. Then go to the voucher type, that is job work out order. And in a more details, there is an option of allow zero, use zero value transaction. Set it yes. Control A. Make sure you set. Is it? Now I'm pressing here the control A. After that, you have to set the options for the material out also. Because when you use the material out, basically this is for the consumption. You are you are delivering the material because of the consumption. So you are not passing the delivery note in case of sales. But here you are passing the, you are like delivering the items because of the, you want the, somebody should work, so somebody should do the job for you people. And they should manufacture something for you. Material out. Then there is an option of use for job work. You should set yes. Use for job work in. Presently, I'm not using the job work in. And then control A. Is it clear? Afterward, you have to sell material in. Because see, after generating the finished goods for you, for your company, then they will provide you the finished goods. Then you have to pass the material in. Okay. And then there is an option of use for job work. Yes. Then allow consumption. Yes. Make sure you have completed the, you altered the all the vouchers, material in, material out, and job work out. Make sure, please. Is it? 3 vouchers you have to set. First is a job work out order, then material in and material out. Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you so much, Dipankar. Thank you so much, Jyotirmay, and everybody. Then control A. Now, first of all, you have to create the raw materials which you want to purchase. So I provided here the one example. Okay, I all set. We all set use for the job work. Yes, we all set these things. Now, first of all, I provided here the one example of pressure cooker. To assemble a pressure cooker, we need a whistle, safety valve, safety valve, then lid, that is the like pressure cooker top, then gasket, that is ring, and then body. So we have to create all these items. And see, there is a one suggestion, use a separate go down to track the quantity of the components. Use the separate go down to track the quantity of the components. Okay. So cooker base. And please enable the go down, press F, escape, and then create a go down. Create, go down, create new Mamta job worker. Then our stock with third party. This is a go down in which we will keep our item, but this is what? This is our stock with third party. This is what? This is our stock with third party. This is what? This is our stock with third party. हमारा stock जो है here, this is not our go down, but we have to create this go down because in this go down our stock will be stored. Enter, enter. Now create the items, stock items. Cooker base. Then numbers, control A. Cooker top. Numbers, control A. Then gasket, control A. Okay, then whistle, control A. Then cooker base, then cooker screw. Cooker screw. Control A. Then handle. Control A. Then safety wall. In the last is, I think so, everything I created. Okay. You should check how many items I created here. Cooker base, cooker top, cooker screw, gasket, handle, safety walls, and whistle. Finished. Now we will generate a one finished goods, that is pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. Then for pressure cooker, we should set the BOM, that is bill of material here. Make sure you remembered because I already gave you the understanding on the bill of material. Then enter. And the name for this is again the 5-liter pressure cooker. To produce a one pressure cooker, we need a one cooker base, and then it is like Mamta job worker. It is with Mamta job worker. The quantity is 1. Then cooker top, same thing. Quantity is 1. Then cooker screw, same thing. Quantity is 1. Then gasket. It is with, because our stock with the somebody else. 1. Then handle. Then the last is safety wall. Whistle is also there, na? And then whistle. Make sure you completed this. This is a bill of material. We already learned this thing. What is a bill of material? To produce the finished goods, what raw material we required, that is known as a bill of material. That is known as a bill of material. Control A, Control A, Control A. Now we have to create the one ledger from which we will purchase the raw material, that is Charles Cooking, Charles Kitchen Accessories. That is our sundry creditor. 15 days credit period. One creditor should be there, that is our Mamta job worker. Because from Mamta job worker, we are going to purchase the services of job work, then control. Is it clear? Not getting the option of the third party in go down creation. Okay, okay, no problem. See, when you want to create the go down, and if you are not getting the our stock with third party, then press F12. Then there is an option of use primary or enable third party stock details. There is an option of enable third party stock details. Okay. Is it clear? Yeah, Somik, it is exactly the word is outsourcing. Yes, very good. This is the exact word, outsourcing. Completed na, Dipankar? Everybody should like confirm. Everybody should confirm. Should I move for the next? Done. Okay. Now the next is, now we purchase the raw material from the Charles. So vouchers, then F9. F9. Okay. This is your invoice number. Party name is Charles Kitchen Appliances. Then purchases. Cost center class is not applicable because this is our fresh new example. Charles Kitchen Accessories. If you wish, then you can provide here these like receipt number, dispatch through everything. Control A, then purchase account. And then not applicable, and I purchased everything. Cooker base 10. Go down. The go down should be we purchase in our go down main location. The quantity is 10. Okay, and the rate is 1000 rupees. Now the second is cooker top. And then the go down is main location. This is our own location, own go down. 10. And the rate is, this is cooker top, 350 rupees. Then the next is cooker screw. Go down is main location because this is our own go down. And the rate is 35 rupees. Then the gasket. Okay, then main location, we stored in a main location. Then the rate is 20 rupees. Then again, after gasket, there is a handle. Go down is main location. This is our own go down. Quantity is 10 and rate is 125 rupees. Then enter. Again, whistle. Or you can provide here the safety bolts. Go down is 10 and then the rate is 5 rupees. Enter, the last is whistle. 7 items are there, okay? Main location. And then the quantity is 10 and the rate is 50 rupees for whistle. So total we purchased for 15,850, but we purchased 10 out of 10. We have to provide the 5 materials to the Mamta job workers because we want to produce the 5 quantity of pressure cookers. Make sure you got the, like, this is the simple purchase. I'm sure like we already done so many times in the class. Simple purchase. This is a very simple purchase. Just do it. Okay, so purchase is done. Completed. Purchase is completed now. Control A. Now save it. Control A. Control A is for save. Okay. Any doubt? Now we have to provide the material to the Mamta job worker so that Mamta job work will manufacture for us. So first of all, we have to pass a one job work order. Okay, first of all, we have to pass one job work out order. Which voucher I have to pass? Job work out order. Okay, we have to pass the job work out order. Is it clear? Job work out order. So we have to pass the entry. First, you have to press F10 key. Then there is an option of job work out order. Now to whom you are passing? Job Mamta job work order. And if you wish, then you can provide here the details through the transport. Then destination is courier name or agent. Bill number, if you have the bill number, then you can provide date, 1st April. It is 1st May, okay. Then motor vehicle number. Duration of processing 15 and nature of processing. Manufacturing. If you remembered, we passed one manufacturer order voucher in the previous sessions. But we don't want to pass the manufacturing right now because the manufacturing is done by the Mamta job worker. Because for that we outsourcing the we are doing the outsourcing from the Mamta job worker. Mamta job worker will do the job work for us. Control A. Now order number is job -01. Then for what we are ordering? Pressure cooker. And for how many quantity? And in which godown we will store while pressure cooker came? Then main location. And the quantity is 5. The quantity is 5. Okay. And the amount is 2645. We are providing the order to the job worker Mamta job worker on 2645. For 1 piece, he will take 264. For 5 piece, he will take 2645. Enter, 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 enter. See, by default, it is now. Still, we are having, when you want to check the stock summary from here, Alt G, then you can check the stock summary. Stock summary you can check. Then still you have the 10 pieces. Everything is you have the 10 pieces. But now you have to pass the material out because you want the Mamta job worker should assemble the cooker for you. Presently no cooker is there, only the raw material is there. So for that you have to pass the material out voucher F10. Then F10 there is an option of material out. The moment you pass the material out, you have to provide the one reference number. Then the moment you select the Mamta job worker, then there is an option of job 01 order is there. Job 01 order is there. Then control A. Control A. And then the destination go down is Mamta job worker. Now out of 10, whichever the you have stored in main location, out of 10, 5 will goes to the Mamta job worker go down. Okay. Then control A. Now you can check again Alt G stock summary. Playbook. Then I pass the material out. Right? Now, after producing, definitely like after 15 days, when Mamta job worker will do the job, will complete the job for us, then they will provide us the pressure cooker. Then again press F10 for F10. For that we have to pass the material in. And then reference number, party name. The moment you press here the Mamta job worker, then here it is given. We already provide here the job work. Then consumption go down is Mamta job worker. Now we will get pressure cooker 5 at the rate of 2645. See, auto consumption is there. Now you can check in a day book. See. Now your consumption will be automatically reduced from your stock summary. Alt G, stock summary. Now you can check. See, you were having 10. Out of 10, Mamta job worker will consume the 5. Now you have remaining only 5 cooker base. See, main location, on main location you were having 10. Out of 10, Mamta job worker will consume 5 and then your remaining is 5. And now you have the pressure cooker here. 5 pressure cooker you have. Is it clear? Is it clear? Please. These kind of entries are very important in Tally. Job work out and just opposite is a job work in. Just opposite. Please raise your hands. Answer me, please. Is it completed or not? Jyotirmay, Saloni, Arpit, Dipankar, Shahid Raja. Very good, very good. I'm going to show you the complete entries. See. Check. These entries I passed. First, I purchased the first entry. I purchased the raw material. This is the first entry in which I purchased the raw material. Okay, from the Charles Kitchen Accessories. This is the first entry. And I stored, because my godown name is main location. By default in the Tally, there is a one godown that is a main location. I stored in the main location. The second entry is a job work out. I provide the job work out order to the Mamta job worker. Okay. And for which? For pressure cooker. And for pressure cooker, I already set here the BOM. BOM is a bill of material. I already set. To generate a one pressure cooker, the cooker base is this, the cooker top is this, and the cooker screw is this. Okay, now the next is, next I pass the material out because I need to provide the raw material to the Mamta job worker. So I provide the raw material to the Mamta job worker. Okay, and then they provide me the pressure cooker 5. Then in that case, everything will be reduced by 5. See, when I provide the raw material to the Mamta job worker, then from my go down, it will be minus and it will be added to the Mamta job worker go down. So that's why it is showing me the plus and minus both. And here is, when they provide me the cooker pressure cooker, then everything will be the minus from my stock. गेहूं भी साफ करनी थी, इतना सारा गेहूं भिजवाए। Okay, so this was the last entry. Now, Alt G for the reports gateway of Tele. And then you can check the movement analysis. You can check the report, that is the movement analysis, stock group movement analysis or stock item movement analysis. Then for cooker base. Alt G for the go to, the shortcut key for the go to. Stock movement analysis. Pressure. Then material out, right? So Alt G. See, here it is. You can check in the PPT also. We already record, then reports. If you wish, then you can show from check or from here also. Alt G, then material in or material out vouchers. See, all the vouchers you can check from here also. Okay, and then the next is job work material movement register. You can check. This is the these are the very important job work material movement registers. This will tells you the complete, like for job work out. See, cooker base. Quantity dispatched to the job worker, 5 and to the Mamta job worker. Then nature of processing required manufacturing. Okay, they by default, and then goods received from job worker, pressure cooker, 5. On which first 5? Is it clear? These are the very important reports, If somebody have doubt, then raise the query. Otherwise, I am going to give you the explanation on MIS, Management Information Reports. Okay. Dipankar, I gave you the summary. Material in and out. Okay, fine. Got it, ma'am. No need to explanation. Thank you, Dipankar. Because see, I explain in a clear and concise way, and still we pay. See, okay. I'll give you the one exercise. Just a minute. Wait a minute. I'm giving you the exercise. I'm providing you the exercise, and please do it yourself, so that you will like completely understood. Okay. So please take the screenshot from here. I'm sending you through the chat also, but like as per you people, like you are not getting on the chat box. See, this is the exercise. Okay, just take the screenshot. Take the screenshot, though I'm sending you through the chat also, huh? But take the screenshot also. Just take the screenshot, huh? It's a complete example. Just take the screenshot and then while zooming, then you will get everything. सब मिल जाएगा आपको. Take the screenshot, please. And I'm sending it through the chat box also. I'm sending it in a PDF format. Okay. Everybody got the job work order file. It is in a PDF format. And otherwise, I am sending to the mail to the ma'am, and then ma'am will send you. So the second and third, okay. Ma'am, show each side separately. This is the first page. This is the second page. This is the second page. Okay, and then second page, and then this is the third page. Okay. Should I move on? No, please don't worry about that. I'll send it to the ma'am also. Then ma'am will send you. Just I'm sending to the ma'am. Okay, I send to the ma'am, and then ma'am will send you. Okay. Anything else? Arpit, I'm not getting clearly what you are. No, Yashasvi. Ma'am, show each slide separately. What do you want, beta? Last date, it is not like, see, it's the first week of August. I'll tell you the mail ID, okay? I'll tell you the mail ID. Anything else you want to ask? So if you are not receiving properly, then you can take the screenshot. Both the options are there. Just take the screenshot. This is the first page and this is the second page. Okay, now I reduce the pages. This is the complete first page and this is the second page. Just take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of the first page. Then everybody have taken the screenshot. Then this is the second page. This is the second page. So you need to take the screenshot of this also. First and second. And then third page. Okay. Completed. Should I move for the next last MIS? Okay. Cost center and cost class may brief describe. Okay, no issue. Cost center, when you use the cost center, only the cost center, then in that case, allocation will be done by ourselves. Allocation will be done by ourselves. Okay. Suppose we are providing the traveling expenses 1 lakh rupees. So to each and every cost center, we have to define like 25,000 to Mahindra, 25,000 to Jitendra. Though like in the 40,000 is to Shikhar and the 10,000 is to Prakash. This is the cost center. Okay. Is it? Now, in case of cost center class, if you are creating the cost center class, then according to the percentage, Tally will automatically allocate the expenses. But in that case, you have to apply the cost center class. Is it clear? So this is the basic difference between the cost center and cost center class. Is it clear? Still, if it is still doubt, then please raise the query. But just do it yourself. Keep it safe in your system. Just create a folder with my name and keep it safe in your system. And then in the first week of August, I'll tell you one email ID and so that you can submit it on that. Okay. Cost center and cost center class is clear. Okay. Now next question. Next question. Next question. No? Okay. Now the thing is, while checking the reports from the tally, suppose we are checking the report from the tally. Okay, and we want this report. Okay, we want this report in our PDF format so that we can submit it. So there is an option of export, Alt E. Alt E is an export, and from here you can take the configuration. In a configuration, you should set the format of PDF. And where digital signature you don't have, and where you want to save it, just change the folder path. You want to save it in a C:/online batch. So now you can check the PDF is there. See, this is the PDF. You can check in my folder C:/online batch. See, there is a one PDF of the report. See, job work out PDF, tally.pdf. This is the report provided by the tally itself. Okay. For management, you want, because you should provide the MIS to the management. You need the information reports to submit the management. So for that, you need to export the report from tally everywhere. For example, in a daybook, you want to provide all the completely the voucher details, then Alt E. In current, and then you should configure in which format you want. So just set it from here, format, show more. Then here is a format option. See, it should, you don't want in a PDF. Then instead of PDF, you can check in the Excel format. And from where you want to save it, so change the folder path. Specify the path. C:/C is your drive, :/, then online batch. Control A, Control A. Now export. Now you can check in your folder, the report is there, daybook is there. See, in the Excel, the daybook is there. And it is saved in your folder. Is it clear? Anybody have some question? Alt E is a shortcut key to export in any kind of format. Then you can choose. You should configure. You should use the configure. I'm sure you will get the exercise soon. Arpit, don't worry about the exercises. Just concentrate on the class. Alt E is clear. Try to do it yourself. Alt E. Alt E. Alt E is a shortcut key. You can press anywhere to check to send the report in the different format, and you want to save it in your system. Okay. Now the same is, I'm sure Alt E is clear. Now the same thing is, suppose you have this traveling expenses voucher. You want to take the printout, then Alt P. See, preview. This is the voucher. So you can take the voucher print by pressing the Alt P. This is purchase voucher, Alt P. Alt P is a shortcut key for print. Alt E is a shortcut key for export. Alt P, Alt E. Alt P and Alt E. Completed. To generate the MIS, there is a two shortcut key. If you want to take the printout of MIS, then Alt P. If you want to export the MIS in the different format, then Alt E. Alt E is a shortcut key for the export. Alt P is a shortcut key for the print. Okay, Jyotirmay? Okay. See, as per the request of the one student, I am going to give you the complete entries of the job workout. These are the complete entries of job workout. First, we purchase the raw material. Okay, Jyotirmay, take the screenshot by sequence wise. Okay, so this is the first entry you have to pass. You have to purchase the raw material first. This is the first entry, Jyotirmay. So you should take the screenshot in a sequence. Then the second entry is I have to provide the job work out order to the Mamta job worker. And who is our Mamta job worker? He is a creditor because we want to purchase the services from Mamta job worker. He is our creditor. So I want to purchase. So I provided here I pass the one job work out order to the Mamta job worker. This is only the order. Okay. This will not reduce, neither reduce or nor increase anything. Okay, completed the screenshot. Now the third entry we have to pass material out because see, after passing the order, after pressing the order to the Mamta job worker, we have to provide the raw material to the Mamta job worker. So in the destination go down should be the Mamta job worker. Why? Because I created the Mamta job worker go down as our stock with third party. This is go down. This is our go down. This is not our go down. This is the Mamta job worker go down. And here are stock with third party, so that it will show me the stock also. Is it clear? Is it clear? And then see, and then when they produce the pressure cooker, after completing my assignment, definitely I'll get the material in. And while creating the pressure cooker, you have to set the BOM, yes. And from here, you have to set the key, like how much material I need to produce the 5-liter pressure cooker. And afterward, when they provide me the pressure cooker, then the moment I select from here, then automatically it is giving me the order number is there. So I should select this order number. And I should select the go down. And then after pressing here, then consider as a primary item. And then BOM name is a 5-liter pressure cooker, and automatically it is now showing me where you should store. So I want to store it in a main location because this is my stock. Now this is my stock. Pressure cooker is my stock. Okay. And then afterward, like after here, the last entry should be made to payment to the Mamta job worker for the job services. So because I purchased the job services, so first of all, I should pass a one entry. Okay, I'm going to give you the understanding of that entry also. So again, purchase the press F9 here. And then change mode. Here should be the accounting invoice because I'm not purchasing the items, I'm purchasing the services from Mamta job worker. Control A, Control A. Then enter job cost center class is not there. Then assembly, manufacturing services. Manufacturing services. It should be under indirect expenses. This is a simple entry, so that's why I skipped it. 50 to 5. So he will charge for 5,000 rupees. And then I need to make the payment at the end. To whom? Mamta job worker. Against this reference, 5,000. Then cash. That's it. This will give you the complete scenario. Is it? Is it clear, Jyotirmay? Clear now? Anything else? Anything else? And Jyotirmay, I sent you the assignment, and definitely ma'am will also send you the assignment in the PDF format. Then please do that assignment so that it will give you the clear and concise way, in a concise way. Because see, you definitely completed the exercise with me, but now you have to do yourself, then it will give you the clear and concise way picture. Okay. Madhur, what no ma'am means what? How I can understand now what is the meaning of no ma'am? Is it clear? Anything else you want to ask? Okay, Jyotirmay, thank you so much. Thanks a lot for the patience listening. Huh? I appreciated your efforts toward the class because all of you are very attentive and you are listening carefully and you are doing it simultaneously. And every day I'm sending you some assignments also, and then you are doing also that assignment. Save it in your system, then I'll give you the one email ID. Yeah, I told you like in the today office class, I told you one mark sheet should be there as should be made by you as an assignment. And so the class question is not an assignment. I sent you the question now, right now. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot for the patience listening. Bye and take care. Do it, then tomorrow we will again discuss. Okay.